Today, we will talk about how to make money by creating online course. In 2024, creating and selling courses online to make money is one sector and has seen significant growth recently. The demand for authentic and credible courses is extremely high, and it is going to grow. By 2026, the global e-learning market is expected to reach $375 billion from less than $200 billion in 2019. It is priced at $11.99. Though not all the enrolled students are paid some get-free coupons, even if half of them purchase the course at its current price, it means the course has earned more than $5 million and the instructor, roughly $2.5 million. Not bad if 24 hours of video content and 19 articles can help you generate $2.5 million, isn't it? And it's pure passive income. The course was last updated back in September 2019. This is just one example. In fact, the course selling market is gigantic and there are hungry buyers out there looking for quality courses to upgrade their skills so they can excel in their career and personal development. What makes course selling a gigantic business market? The case study by Tommy Mester is one of the best examples. He shared all the details on how he left his full-time job and created the first online course that helps him earn more than $10,000 per month. Nick Stephenson earned $130,208 from his course on marketing in the first week. John Omar made $1 million in a single year from his training on iOS app development. As you can see, selling courses online to make money is a highly lucrative business model. If you are skeptical as to why people will buy your course, consider this. The student loan debt in 2020 has crossed $1.56 trillion in the US. There are over 45 million borrowers with an average student loan debt amounting to $32,731. The high cost of education has motivated students and employees to look for alternatives. Online courses have become increasingly popular as a flexible and accessible way to acquire new knowledge and skills. These courses cover a wide range of subjects from technical skills like programming and graphic design to personal development areas such as mindfulness and leadership. One of the main advantages of online courses is their convenience. Learners can access course materials and lectures from anywhere with an internet connection, allowing for self-paced learning that fits into busy schedules. Additionally, online courses often offer interactive elements such as quizzes, forums, and assignments, providing opportunities for engagement and practical application of concepts. Furthermore, online courses cater to diverse learning styles through multimedia content like videos, animations, and interactive exercises. Many platforms also provide certificates or badges upon completion, which can enhance resumes and demonstrate proficiency to employers or clients. However, while online courses offer flexibility, learners must also be self-disciplined and motivated to complete coursework without the structure of traditional classrooms. Overall, online courses represent a valuable educational resource for lifelong learners seeking to expand their knowledge and expertise in a convenient and accessible manner. Digital education has provided a breakthrough. At least 33% of college students take at least one e-learning course. Why? Because it's cost-effective and they learn 5 times more than they do from a formal course in college. Step 1. Create an online course. The success of your business relies on the content. It is the core product and it has to be valuable and useful. Course development starts with identifying a specific niche in your field. To do this, define an issue your target audience is facing. Ask yourself, what problem will your course resolve? Let's assume you are in the customer service field and interested in creating a course in customer success management. You can start by looking at existing courses in this sphere, preferably bestsellers, and see what they're missing. Here is the course outline of a bestseller from Udemy. It offers a lot of value, but it misses several key areas such as case studies, customer success framework, how to develop skills to be a better customer success manager, and checklists. Based on your experience, you can create a better course and provide even more value to your learners. As you can see from the example, to find a problem in your area, you need to perform research. Visit marketplaces to learn what content your competitors are offering, identify gaps, and come up with a better course that delivers more value to the students. Other ways that research leads to finalizing your course topic and content are to examine trending topics and issues in your field. Learner interviews and surveys. Google Trends subject experts. After deciding on a topic area, it's time to create your course that involves a tentative outline, script writing, gathering visuals and media, recording, editing, and more. You can create your course right on the selling platform using its native editing tools, or you can assemble the content you have with a course authoring toolkit like Spring Suite. Course development is an area that requires specific knowledge. There are a lot of guidelines on the web to help you understand the process in detail. Here are a few major aspects of course creation that you need to focus on at this stage. Ensure that your course idea is in demand. Identify your target audience and understand its profile to make your course appealing and useful. Write clear and engaging learning outcomes of your course by focusing on its benefits. Create the text and visual content for your course. The course topic, content, and learning outcomes must align. Make sure there's no deviation of any kind. Use appropriate tools and resources for course creation. Also, check out this online course launch checklist for more details. Step 2. Select a selling platform. A course selling platform helps you host, deliver, and sell your course to end users seamlessly and manages everything from building the course to marketing, payment processing, and more. There are several selling platforms out there to choose from. 3 popular ones are Ispring Market, Udemy, and Thinkific. Ispring Market is best suited for those who want to start selling courses online quickly while enjoying full control over design, marketing, and sales. It has a straightforward, user-friendly dashboard that lets you create your marketplace and put your course on sale within minutes. You can upload ready-made courses or create them by putting content together right on the platform. It supports all types of content format: video, audio, text, visuals, etc., including pure e-learning SEORM format. 1. Ispring Market has powerful analytics that let you keep track of sales, engagement, and customer satisfaction, and provides a high-conversion sales funnel that is integrated with your email marketing tool and other apps via Zapier. 2. Udemy. Udemy is a user-friendly platform that offers a great number of features, tools, and themes to get your e-learning courses up and running. Unlike many alternatives, it lets you sell your courses to its gigantic user base, 24+ million. However, this base isn't truly yours. All these people sign up for Udemy to get access to courses, but you don't have their emails or other data to run marketing campaigns. Besides, there's high competition between authors that reduces the chances of your course being selected. The platform is also quite limited in the type of content you can upload. In fact, you can only create and sell video-based courses. Still, Udemy is a good solution for individuals who are new to teaching, creating, and selling e-learning because it provides all the necessary course selling options and it's free. But Udemy is probably not the best choice for making money in the long term, since it charges from 50 to 80% from each sale for marketing your course, and at some point you'll probably find ways to promote the courses on your own. 3. Thinkific. Thinkific is a platform that provides you with all the features to create and deliver courses on your own branded website and offers robust e-commerce and marketing tools. It is highly customizable in terms of building a site. You can create a sales page with all the courses you have, a landing page for each course, and more. You can also integrate your course selling site with any other existing website to create a seamless brand experience for your audience. All in all, Thinkific is a good solution for those who want to build a brand around online courses. However, many options it provides can be excessive for new course sellers. How to choose the right course selling platform? If you still aren't sure which selling platform to choose, answer the following questions, which will help you make an informed decision. Do you want to launch your course ASAP, or are you ready to invest more time in how to deal with a complex platform and get a highly customized marketplace site? Are you going to create engaging interactive courses or assemble simple courses from text and graphics right on the platform? Do you already have a website and want to integrate it with your marketplace for a seamless brand experience? Do you need access to sales funnel tools to capture more leads and prospects? Do you want to get all the details about users' learning activity to see how they like your course and if it should be improved? What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.